Hi, we're back and I've got another fun 4-ingredient recipe for you. We are making lavender sweet potato fries.
And we are using the lavender again today, and we're using purple sweet potatoes for this, which is going to be really interesting. The lavender goes really well with the color, and the purple sweet potatoes are really super good for you. They have twice the vitamin A that you need in a day and half of the vitamin C that you need. So tons of health benefits that come with these potatoes as well.
And they can also help reduce your blood pressure. So little powerhouses of nutrition here. So, and look at the gorgeous color that they are. So they have a little bit of a tough skin, so you definitely want to peel them first. And then you're just going to take a sturdy knife and start, probably cut the ends off, and then just cut them into French fry size strips. Probably skinnier than thicker fries, because sweet potatoes generally don't get as crispy as traditional russet potatoes. So much fun to be working in the kitchen with my Ben. Mother-son bonding over sweet potato fries. All right, we got our hot oil here, and here's a little tip to figuring out if your oil is the proper temperature for frying. Just take a tiny bit of water on your fingers. Perfect. That's a good sign. That means the oil is hot enough to fry. So then we're carefully going to put just a single layer of potatoes into our skillet, frying pan. Make sure you don't overcrowd them. You're going to cook them in batches, but you want them to have plenty of oil to crisp up. There we go.
So we'll cook these for about 5 to 10 minutes or so. We'll toss once or twice as they're cooking, and they should be lightly crisp on the outside, but they're going to be nice and soft as well.
That's how you know they're done. If your resort does have an oven, you can also toss the sweet potatoes in oil with a little salt, pepper, and lavender, and put them on a baking sheet and bake them until they're crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Nicely done. A little bit of golden on the outside. I'm going to give them a little sprinkle of lavender while they're in the oil, because the hot oil is going to make the flavor pop a little bit more, and it's also going to help the lavender stick to the sweet potato fries.
We'll just move these around just a little bit to distribute that.
And we're just going to take them out of the skillet and put them on a paper towel lined plate or baking sheet.
2 at a time. Well, they're so delicate. I'm afraid if I take one, I'm just going to break it.
So we are nicely cooked. I'm going to give them a little sprinkle of salt, and I'm going to give them a little bit more lavender. So some fun facts about lavender is they help reduce restlessness and anxiety and depression, and they also can help with your blood pressure. So we think of it as something just tasty and pretty, but it's actually really good for you.
And at this point, we will cook up the rest of our fries in batches, as much as our skillet can handle here. And we will keep going with more fries.
All right, we hope you like this recipe, and we hope you'll try all of the great lavender recipes that we have for you.